Hi guys, welcome to a new video. Today video is going to be very special for you and highly recommended for all. This is a technique you should not ignore and make sure to share it with many friends as possible. This kind of situation can happen to you anytime anywhere. So now let's start the technique. If you are standing on the street with your wallet and giving money to your friend or brother, suddenly a kidnapper may come to you and instantly put a knife to your neck like this, as you can see in the video. He may try to snatch your wallet, threaten you, or put your life in danger. In that situation, you need to react immediately with the right self-defense. For example, when someone puts a knife to your neck, people often try to turn their neck like this. You might have seen this in videos, but this can be extremely dangerous. It can actually lead to serious injury or your neck could be cut. Now here you need to do is create distance between yourself and the knife so you can avoid getting cut. That's the first priority. If the attacker tells you to put your hands up or ask for your wallet, don't panic, stay calm and create the right situation. You can pretend to cooperate and act like you are giving him the wallet at the right moment. Use both of your hands to quickly grab and control him. Then suddenly pull him backward and turn his body. Immediately push him against a wall so he cannot move or attack you with his other hand. Now here, twist his wrist more. When he feel pain, snatch the knife from his hand. Now he is fully under of your control. Guys, now I'll show you this technique from the other side so you can understand better. Let's start. Yes. Give me a wallet. Turn and wrist. Knife snatch. Now I'm fully under control. Guys, now I'll show you this technique real situation, how it works and not. So let's. Okay. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more practical self-defense techniques. Stay safe, stay strong. See you in the next video. Thank you.